Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take keycaps off your keyboard on HP Chromebook 14A. And this process is not complicated. All you need to do is have a small tool. I have a SIM card tray opener from an iPhone, and all you need to do is just insert it in between the keycap and the chassis. Although I can see that the tool is quite too big still, and do it very carefully. By the way, it's worth having your laptop shut down so you don't press on any buttons by accident. Then lift it just a little bit and see how the mechanism goes, because the mechanism, depending on the key, may be either oriented like that, where hinge is horizontal and these like scissor wings are going up here, not on the sides. Then you should insert the tool from the side, not from top or bottom. But if there's a key, I think that this one or this one may be oriented differently. I'm not sure about that, I'm gonna check it later. Then you should insert the tool from the bottom or from the top. So just, if the hinge is oriented vertically, then insert the tool from the top or bottom. But in most cases, in the typical keys, it'll be horizontal. I don't really want to break the chassis, but yeah, I got the wrong tool. Now lift it just a little bit. Be careful with that, really. And first, I'm gonna lift the top. Then try getting the bottom part out as well, though it may be a bit harder. Yeah, and I have accomplished it. So this is how the mechanism goes. Here you can see the hinge is horizontal. This is what I meant. And now if I look on the key that I'm suspicious of, that I just think that it may have the hinge differently, it's not gonna be too easy. Okay, I'm gonna get back to you when that's done. Okay, I think I might have been incorrect about it. As I see, the mechanism is also oriented as earlier, so let's try to place it on the side, then detach the top part first, right? I was detaching the top one first. I don't remember it. But yeah, try to do it from the side very gently, and don't go too deep with your tool because you may break the whole mechanism. So be careful with that, really careful. Also look on the inside to see what's happening in there. Okay, I've inserted this end of the tool in between the keycap and the mechanism to very gently detach it. Now let's take the bottom part out, and it's as simple as it gets. Now let's also see a longer key. By the way, it's worth having a picture of the keyboard layout if your keyboard layout is a bit different than mine, so you can bring it later to the previous state, especially these top row keys, because you'll never know which one goes where. Let's see how this layout looks, and it seems like it also has the horizontal mechanism. So yeah, it's gonna be quite simple. Yes, it has the mechanism horizontally, but it has two mechanisms. So let's try to insert the tool here. Just to pry it gently, then use your finger and try inserting the tool in between the key and the mechanism Also, there are some metal parts in these long keys, so it may be a bit different. I'm not too gentle, honestly. I could have been more gentle with it, but yeah, I think I got it. And you'll see the metal part shortly. Okay, I think I got it. Yes, I have. So I'm just gonna fix the mechanism, the metal parts and stuff. You can see there are two small ones, small hinges with this membrane button, and that's basically it. Most of these long keys will look like that, and all the other ones should look like this exactly. Now to put them in, just place them on top, then press them first bottom or first top. Yeah, I'd recommend the top first because the bottom may be a bit easier to attach. Now let's add this key. And the Alt gear. Yeah, and now it's all done. And I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.